Hey guys, welcome back to Enrique's Do It Myself. In the previous video of the paint pouring, I told you guys that I was working on a painting of a picture I took in Cancun, which I will put right here or in the whole screen. But here's the painting. So I finally finished it, and this is what it looks like. I love it. I love the way it came out, the detail in the water, the bushes, and my dog decides to walk around now that I'm recording, so you can hear her little paws clicking on the ground. So yeah, this is the painting. Y'all hear that? Date quieta! Okay, so when I decided to do this video, I decided to go ahead and do a Christmas ball. And what I want to do is of like a crystally kind of white Christmas ball with embroidery beads and sequins and all that jazz, right? So I decided to order the stuff off of Amazon. And little did I know that I paid 10 or 12, I can't remember how much, but let's just say it was way overpriced for these little bitty bags. I thought I was getting more than this. I thought I was gonna get like a whole container or something, right? Or a big Ziploc bag, but this is what I got. So I said, okay, well, I'll do a video of one Christmas ball for my followers. Just because this is all I got. But I went ahead and stopped by Hobby Lobby and spent like $65 more because I love you guys to get more stuff. So I have like a bag full of stuff, and I will show you guys. And then I got this stuff. I got this stuff from the dollar store that was like $129, $125, so everything is $125. And I mean, I might incorporate these to it. And I found a lot of good stuff at Hobby Lobby. I mean, everything was like $3.99 or whatever. Like, I even found a bag of sequins about this size for like a third of the price at Hobby Lobby. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and go through all the supplies that I actually have. Let me just get all this out of the way. But yeah, I hope you guys like the way it looks. Eventually I want to start an Etsy account well, I did start an Etsy account, but I need to figure out how all that works because I kind of overpriced my art a little. I only have like 2 items on there, but I do want to start an Etsy account and start selling some paintings. Okay, so I am back with all the supplies that I bought at Hobby Lobby, pretty much. So I bought these foams, which it's actually like 4 pieces. I thought it was just 2, but it's 4. So I just used these stir picks. I cut them in half and I stuck them so they can stay together. Now the reason for the foam and the stir sticks is so that after you do a Christmas ball, you just stick it right here and it doesn't sit flat down and ruin whatever you're doing on any of the sides. I'm out of breath, I don't know why. I didn't even run. And then I got glitter. I bought this big thing of glitter for $7.99. I bought these Christmas balls. These were actually $7.99, which I mean, you're probably better off buying them because you spend more on the supplies than you would if you just bought them. And then like right now, Hobby Lobby has like 50% off of everything. I bought clear Christmas balls. I kid you not, I struggled to find these darn things. When originally I should have just gone to Hobby Lobby to find them, right? These were $7.99 with 50% off, so that's what, $4? I got Mod Podge. And then to show you guys, so that you guys can see the difference. This is the sequence I paid $9.99 for, or $12, I don't remember how much. And this is the one that I just paid $1.99 for from Hobby Lobby. So you tell me which one was a better deal. This one. So I probably should have just stuck with Hobby Lobby instead of trying to assume that I was going to get a better deal on Amazon. Because clearly I did not get a better deal. Okay, so I'm going to stick these through here. I'll do the Mod Podge. This will be fun. Oh, and then I bought this brush. It's a cheap brush. I don't care because really I'm not trying to get perfect, I guess, strokes on the ball. That came out wrong. So this year my Christmas theme is all white. Doggone it. I can't get this. I wish they had a little ledge to open it, but they don't. So you gotta really just struggle with it. I'm gonna put this in here. Okay, that did not go as planned. I should probably turn this little guy on. This is my glitter. Am I struggling today? Tell me. Please tell me. They sealed this sucker good. Got it. Let's just face the truth. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pour the glitter into the Mod Podge. All of that's in there, and then let's just pour some glitter. Lots and lots of glitter. And stir it. By the way, do y'all like my little apron? I need to make it shorter. I bought this apron off of Amazon for like $13. I kid you not, I love this thing. It's cute. I hope I'm doing this right, because if I'm not, oh well. Okay, gloves on, more glitter, lots and lots of glitter. Oh no! Let me tell you guys, I hate glitter, but that's all Christmas is about is glitter. So, you gotta get used to it. Okay, that wasn't too hard. So then all I do is just take these little guys off. And then I'm just gonna start. Let's see if I get this right. I feel like this is gonna be an epic fail, but I don't care. Glitter. Actually, I'm gonna pour it in the container. So this is only one layer, okay? I hate glitter, guys. After I'm done with this freaking ball, I'm gonna have to go clear this tray out outside. Ooh, glitter's getting everywhere. That's one layer. Let's move on to the next ball. So that's not all I'm doing to that. I'm gonna add everything to it, only because I want everything to it. I should have mixed the glitter into the Mod Podge. Oh, gee. Oh my god. Mod Podge is falling. Very messy, very, very, very messy. I think I regret my whole life with this. I'm just saying, because this is going to be very, very messy, and I feel like I'm going to throw a lot away. Just know that I do this for you guys. Ah, the ball fell in there. How do I get it out? Ugh. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. Okay. Don't touch. Yeah, that looks nothing like that one. Oh well, we're just gonna continue, even though they look nothing alike. It's still going. It's still spinning. I feel like there's now glitter everywhere. Why am I tapping the empty one? I'm gonna fast forward some of this. Oh, I hope you like the Christmas music I chose. Get you in the Christmas spirit. No more glitter. Even though it's all over this thing. I'm scared those are gonna stick together. These look nothing like that yet. Yet. Okay, I said yet. I still have hopes. Most of these videos, I don't try out beforehand, only because I love to make mistakes and for you guys to see them. Because I feel like it's funny. You know, like, and then y'all will learn from my mistakes and y'all won't do it. And I just realized one big mistake is putting this so close to the glitter when I'm not even gonna use it with glitter. I'm debating if I should do the rest of those in glitter. I guess so, why not? Why not? Shoot. I mean, they don't look bad. They just need like 2 or 3 more coats of glitter and Mod Podge. Ooh. Okay, good. You know, I heard that when you're covering something with Mod Podge, it takes layers and layers and layers of it. So, in reality, I don't know what I was thinking on doing this video. But there's no turning back. Can't pull that out. I didn't think this through. Okay. Yes! Next ball. I'm gonna open this little guy. And I already know I'm gonna make a big mess. I'm gonna stick some more Mod Podge on this thing, and we can stick some of that Sequins on it. Just load it up with Mod Podge. I know these ornaments are gonna come out terrible already. They already look terrible. What if I just dump all this? I'm gonna go to the trash anyways. Alrighty, so after letting that dry for a while, I'll come back to work on the rest. I did get a little bit aggravated with this video because I thought that they weren't coming out as pretty, and so I just had to step away from it because, you know, sometimes you need to do that. And I asked for opinions and everybody told me it looked good, so now I'm gonna add the little embroidery beads. I hope these will hold with the glue because I know they're kind of heavy. I forgot how I did it. I think I just smashed it up on the ball. I'm like holding on really tight to this ball with the clippers. This is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Probably just need to try to sprinkle it on me and not sprinkle it on me. Let the glue do its job. It kind of does look cool. Wait till the glue actually dries. Let's hope this stays in place. Ugh. If you're not gentle with it, it'll all be ruined. Got that one done. So it's a good idea to have something for all this to land on, to be honest, because it's getting everywhere. Okay guys, so I am finally done with this ball. These came out really cool, guys. It came out really cool. Look, I'll show you close up. Whoa. These are pretty cool. So now I got to just add these little thingamabobbers on the top of them. Look at that, ain't that cute? And then you just get your little wires to hang them. I don't have any of those wires, so I'm gonna just use paper clips. These came out really cute, very candy looking. All white. I'll take a picture of them on the tree, or I'll film the tree or whatever. That way y'all can see what my Christmas tree looks like. But I would like to say thank you for watching. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, tell your friends about it so they can start following too. Bye guys.